everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. Today I want to show you how I make my egusi soup, or you can call it melon soup. So the first thing is to put your pots on the stove. So I will add my oil, palm oil to it. So I'm gonna add my onion. So you fry the onion. After that, I'm gonna add my melon. So I'm gonna fry the melon. So I'll add a little water from my stock. So keep on adding water until the egusi is. So now I'm gonna add my stock, my fish. So just pop everything together. Fish, I'm putting my snail. So you mix everything together. Anything you want to put, this is the right time to put, to add anything you want to add to it. So I will add my crayfish. So I'm gonna add water again. So I'm gonna add my red chili. If you are the type that eat a lot of chili, you can add so much. So I'm gonna cover it. Come back to it. So now I'm gonna add my chicken. My fried chicken. So I will add my vegetable. I'm using azusa leaf. So you can add your seasoning. I added my seasoning when I was making the stock, so I had the seasoning, so I don't need to add seasoning again. So at this point, if you know that it's too dry, you can add little water to it. I'm gonna test it to see. If you need that, at this point, if you wanna add salt, you always test your soup first before you add salt. This is perfect for me. This is perfect. My house is smelling wonderful. I wish you guys can come here and test it with me. So my egusi is ready. You can serve this with gari, with semolina, with pounded yam, with fufu. So thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this video is helpful, useful to you. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and so that you will not miss any of my video. Thank you so much. God bless you as you watch this video, and bye for now.